Hey everybody, Wes Shepard here, and welcome to video number 4 in the 5 ways you can improve your sleep tonight mini course. And in this video, we're going to be talking about something called EMFs. And if you're not familiar with EMFs, they are electromagnetic frequencies, and they are basically any sort of frequency that come from the electromagnetic spectrum. And without getting into too much detail into it, basically, there are electromagnetic frequencies that come from pretty much everything from the sun to radios to microwaves to obviously like dangerous radiation that come from like nuclear power plants and stuff like that. But I don't want to get all into the weeds, right? All I want to let you know is that there are electromagnetic frequencies that are going through the air that, you know, come to your cell phone, and they heat up your food in the microwave, which I don't recommend that you use, but some people do use them. They are, you know, how we are using our Wi-Fi and all things like that. So why is that important for your sleep? It's because electromagnetic frequencies disrupt your sleep on a really significant level. And they also disrupt your health on a significant level, but that's not really what I'm here to talk to you about. I'm here to talk to you about how it's affecting your sleep. So what can you do about this? The number one thing you can do is, when you're sleeping, eliminate all electromagnetic frequencies that are in your environment. So how do you actually know where these EMFs are coming from? How do you even know if they're in your environment? It's really easy. There's electromagnetic frequencies coming from every single electronic, every single wire, and every single thing that is actually plugged into a wire. So like a lamp, a cell phone, a light, a computer, your LED light bulbs, your Wi-Fi. It's coming from everything that's electronic. And so what we want to do is really, really simple. Unplug all of it at night and get it out of your bedroom. It's that simple. Like, I don't actually have any cords or any electronics or anything like that in my bedroom. I just have a bed. That's it, because it's for sleeping. It's that simple. So go into your bedroom, identify all of the electronics that may be in there, and then just take them all out and put them somewhere else. And for people who have a whole electronic setup in the bedroom, really sorry. It's probably why your sleep is really terrible. You want to remove any TVs, especially remove your computer, just get all of it out of there, and that's going to really help you. Also, you have to remove and turn off your Wi-Fi. If your Wi-Fi is in your bedroom, get rid of it, put it somewhere else. It just shouldn't be there. And then you have to turn your Wi-Fi off at night. It's disrupting your sleep 100% if you do have it on. And unfortunately, your neighbor's Wi-Fi is going to be disrupting you as well, but there's not too much you can do about that unless you want to invest a significant amount of money into an EMF canopy, which is a whole nother level, which I talk a lot more about in our Ultimate Sleep Transformation program, but I'm not going to go too much into it now. So what can you do for this video? Take all the electronics outside of your bedroom, put them somewhere else, turn off your Wi-Fi at night, and that should significantly improve your sleep just by doing that. And you're gonna see a big bump in your sleep, and your entire brain and your body are going to actually be able to fully detoxify when they're EMF free. So what that means is that you're going to get more restful sleep, more deep sleep, and you're going to be able to really heal at night, which is what the whole point of sleep is. Your body going into repair mode and healing. So if you are having electromagnetic frequencies around you, you're much more likely to get sick, you're much more likely to get run down, and your performance in life in general will just go down. So go ahead and remove those EMFs, and we will see you in the next video for the final video, number 5. Thanks.